India's Supreme Court is now seeking the Gujarat government's response on a plea challenging the release of 11 convicts. The men were jailed for the gang rape of Bilkis Bano during the 2002 Gujarat riots. They raped the 21-year-old pregnant woman and killed 7 members of her family. The crime happened during one of India's worst religious riots. 3 days of violence in Gujarat state left over 1,000 people dead, most of them Muslim. The men's release has turned into a major political controversy, leading to petitions being filed in the top court challenging the remission of their sentence. A group of women demanded that the 11 men serve their full life sentences. The full hearing will be held in 2 weeks. Ishan Garg explains why the convicts were released after just 15 years in jail.
Well, the simple reason why they were released ahead of their time was because under Indian law, even if somebody is going through a life sentence, if they've served 14 to 15 years in prison, and if their general conduct in the prison has been good enough, according to the authorities, they can still be released prematurely. And apart from that, the Indian government was running a scheme on the occasion of 75 years of India's independence, under which it was releasing prisoners which the government thought had served their sentence up to the time that they were that they should have. But as far as what the public opinion on this has been, the majority of the population of the country is saying that these people should be put behind bars. It's not only that they were criminals, but it's the nature of the crime as well is such a heinous crime that not only activists, human rights groups, but also the general public of the country feels that the convict should be put once again behind the bars. So if the Supreme Court does decide that it will overturn the Gujarat government's decision, it's likely to be widely supported by the public as well. The authorities haven't responded to this, but legal experts say that if the Supreme Court does rule that it will put them back, it will set a huge precedence for the legal procedure in the country, and the people are likely to welcome it. Certainly the victims and their family are likely to welcome it.